Hey everyone, welcome to my next live from the workshop. So, one of the more sought after pieces by fans is the Chase Guard Dalek, one of which I do have here. This is one of the original ones. This is one of the sound effects ones. And obviously lots of fans are looking for these, not just on eBay, but recently Forbidden Planet had a load in and they sold out phenomenally quickly. It's not really actually a rare Dalek as such in terms of it being seen on screen, but apparently lots of people want them. So what I'm going to show you today is how to make your own. It's a really simple, nice, very easy process to do actually. So this is a saucer pilot Dalek with a replaced smaller base. These are readily available on eBay for anywhere between £7 to £12. Obviously, spare bases. I've got lots spare, but again, they're on Emperor's Guard Daleks. Again, very easy to get hold of. So that's what you need for that. So first thing first is going to be to take this apart. And there is my completed guard. So, just to bring in his real counterpart, obviously there's a few small differences. Obviously the eye lights aren't yellow. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with how well they match. So yeah, so that was a tutorial on how to do a Dalek guard. This guy is actually going up on eBay, so if you did miss out your chance to get one of these, you can get this one. Obviously I've got the real one, so I'm sticking with that one, but this one is going up, so yeah, there's a link in the description for that, so please take a look, and if you really want it, bid. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share, it really helps me out a lot, and I shall see you all with another video very soon.